I think that we've become very disconnected from the natural world.
We now have a culture of distraction, but we have a planetary emergency. And we have to find a way to create in the generation of those alive today a sense of generational mission.
Right now, we are in the midst of the Earth's 6th mass extinction. Nature once determined how we survive. Now we determine how nature survives. I've always believed that few people will protect the natural world if they don't first love and understand it.
Let us not take this planet for granted.
While you work to meet the challenge of climate change, I beg of you, don't forget nature.
The impacts of our growing population and our consumption now directly threaten our own future.
If we don't stop the destruction of our natural world, nothing else will matter. Greatest moral crisis of our time.
An impending disaster, direct result of human activity.
Panic, anger. This has to stop.
We need nature. People need nature. Simply put, if we don't protect nature, we can't protect ourselves.
The natural world is not just nice to have. It fundamentally matters to each and every one of us.
We shall nobly save or meanly lose the last best hope of Earth. You are the last best hope of Earth. We ask you to protect it, or we and all living things we cherish are history.